Hey everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to log out your Facebook from all devices. So first you need to open your Facebook and go to your menu. Just click on the hamburg menu at the top right corner and now click on settings and privacy. After that, click on settings. Now you need to go to Account Center. It's usually at the top, but if you can't access it, click on the search bar and search for Account Center. Now, once you're in Account Center, you need to go to Password and Security. Here, under Security Checks, you need to click on where you're logged in. So now you need to click on your Facebook account. You'll be headed to this page. Now you will see all the places you're logged in. You just need to click on this select devices to log out in the red font and select where you want to log out. After that, click on log out and you're done. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos and I'll meet you guys in the next video.